Hey guys, it's me, Dino Onisimp here. This is my big sister's cat's pet named Squishy. And Squishy very enjoys I feed her. Even though when I feed her, she makes weird ass noises. And she doesn't even scratch when I do it, so I hope you guys enjoy and laugh. It's a pig in a blanket, so come on. You know you love this. And you make weird ass sounds because of it. No hot dog? Okay, how about this instead? She doesn't even scratch, so. You're the best cat, Squishy. Gimme, come on. Why all cats like you have to be such an entertaining animals? Squishy. Why? Kitty, Squishy, you haven't done yet. Okay, you're done. Okay. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below.